Don't trust motivation so much because motivation is fleeting. Yung motivation nawawala yan. And if you put all of your trust in motivation itself, paano na pag nawala yung feeling niyan? Paano na pag nawala yung motivation? Gagawin mo pa din ba yung bagay na kailangan mong gawin? Hello, this is Brent. This is my day 6 of improving my public speaking and communication skills. And yung question natin ngayon is, when does motivation, I don't know, stop nandun? And then, what helps instead? Ayun yung tanong. Pero ilalagay ko lang siya sa title. And sorry guys, ayun nga, sinasabi ko motivation because I also do feel it right now. Ano mo yung, I feel so low in energy. May karamdaman ako ngayon, masakit yung katawan ko and yun, may lagnat. At the same time, kagaling ko lang sa contest kanina. Kanina pang madaling araw to actually. And before the contest, naramdaman ko na to. And yet, I still did it. Umattend pa din ako sa contest. I don't have any motivation na umattend pa sa contest ngayon. But I still did it. Because I remember my purpose. I remember kung bakit ko nga ba kailangan gawin yun. And you also. There are some things in your life where as you want to do. Alam ko may mga bagay ka sa buhay mong gusto mong gawin. And ang hinihintay mo lang, yung kagustuhan na gawin yon, yung motivation to do that thing. Pero bro, you know what? Yung motivation kasi nawawala yan eh. Yung motivation, it is highly temporary and it will disappear. Excuse me. I mean, mawawala talaga yan because motivation for me is something you feel and in which fleeting. But what helps instead kung nawala na yung motivation? It's two things for me actually. Number one, purpose. And second, self-discipline. If you have purpose, kahit na hindi mo nararamdaman yung isang bagay, always remember your purpose. Why? Because it will give you the energy. It will give you the thing na kailangan mong alalahanin in order for you to actually do the thing. Second, self-discipline. Kasi if you have self-discipline, kahit na ayaw mong gawin yung isang bagay, pag alam mong kailangan mong gawin yan, you will still do it. And ayan yung dalawang bagay na lalabas or tutulong sa'yo when motivation stops working. So don't rely on motivation so much. Instead, keep your focus on your purpose and your self-discipline. And guys, babawi tayo next day. Pero yeah, this is all I have right now. Nag-video na ako kanina kaso ang problema, maingay yung background. But sa contest mismo yun. Pero now, yeah. We'll end this here. Thank you so much guys for always watching. Kung nakarating ka sa dulo ng video na to, thank you so much bro. Peace. Good night.